Happy Halloween! And I know what you're thinking. Halloween, way too early to be talking about gifts this season. Not true at all. And when it comes to what to get someone for this holiday season, the thing that everyone's asking me for is a big pan. And you can get a very big pan. In fact, you can get a 14-inch skillet. This is the Rachel Ray 14-inch skillet. It even comes in pumpkin orange. The first thing we're gonna do with our Rachel Ray 14-inch pan is make some pancakes. But not just any pancakes, it's Halloween, so we're making pumpkin pancakes.
To begin, combine 2 cups all-purpose flour with 3 tablespoons brown sugar, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and just a sprinkling of salt. Combine in your Rachel Ray bowl and then put aside. In your other Rachel Ray bowl, pour in 1.5 cups of milk, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil with just a dash of vinegar added, 1 fresh egg, and of course, a full cup of one of your favorite canned pumpkin purees. Mix all that together until it looks something like this. Now you're gonna incorporate your dry ingredients into your wet. You're just gonna mix until combined. You don't wanna overwork the batter. Now grab your Rachel Ray skillet because it's time to pan some cakes. And I'm throwing in butter, but that's just for flavor. This pan is so non-stick, it doesn't need any oil at all. And don't forget, this is that big 14-inch skillet, which means you could do 4 big pancakes all at once, all in the same pan. No waiting one pancake at a time. And Rachel Ray has thought of everything. This is actually her spatula and it has this little notch that perfectly grabs onto her pan. So you're not leaving your spatula on the counter and it's there when you need it. Afterwards, because the pan is so non-stick, cleanup's a breeze. But even if it wasn't, the pan is 100% dishwasher safe. And here you have it, delicious pumpkin pancakes. This recipe is really easy to do and it's made easy when you have the right pan. So go get yourself this Rachel Ray pan and everything else she makes for the kitchen. And of course, have yourself a very happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween! Oh, very scary cat. I don't know, is there something you can do with a cat? Besides tell him he's gotta get off the set? Mwah!